This is part three. This one will be longer. Sorry about that. As I was pulling the box in, I can't edit my videos yet. Unless I just can't do it yet. All right. So when I pulled the box in, it had my address on there. So I had to end it and crop that out. But yeah, part three. Let's do it. All right. Let's see. How am I gonna do this? Okay. Wow. They freaking loaded my address on this one. All right. Let's see. Where can I? Just boom. Okay. It's kind of get an idea of the size of the box. Yeah. Gave me a fancy schmancy. I feel like I'm crushing something. Oh, nothing. Okay. All right. Let's get into it. All right. Here we are. Have another. Right. Come on. Focus. We have the rock. Wow, that lighting is just bad, isn't it? All right, let's do it like that. All right, let's not be lazy here. We have the rock here. Boom. Okay, let's move this. Also have to disinfect all of these figures later. We have a Flex Force John Cena that can go with my Flex Force set that I'll be selling soon. Got Great Khali here. I don't think he doesn't have an elite, so I mean, this is great though. It's a heavy figure. Boom. We have basic Triple H, good for parts. Actually, nah, never mind. Another basic Triple H. Is this the same? Oh, it's different. Okay, so we have two different variants of Triple H. Basics. Alright, we have a Elite Cody Rhodes. Boom, bow. Gotta find space to put this. Basic Randy Orton. Bearded Randy Orton. Oh, we have some minis. Kind of see what's in the box. We have mini CM Punk, mini Triple H. I think these are the Rumblers. Yeah, I have a few Rumblers actually. This would be cool to add. Rumbler Big Show and Rumbler Undertaker. I think I have Undertaker. If not, then this is cool. And then we have basic John Cena with a smudge on his face. All right. I almost stopped the video. Oh, that would have been bad. I know you guys are already irritated by the shortness of my video. All right. Put that there. All right. Position that. Okay, so that was only like part of the package that I was supposed to get. The seller, he or she accidentally didn't include these figures, so I told them about it and they were nice enough to ship it separately. Have a lot of I don't think the next boxes I'll just show you guys manually because they're not going to fit in the space between this camera and these figures, that's for sure. This is going to fill up pretty quickly. Let's try to hurry up and get these. Oh my god. And this is not even a quarter of my collection. Like, I've been meaning to do reviews months ago. I mean, last year, was it 2 years ago? I started off collecting NWO figures, which I'm gonna soon, hopefully soon, possibly next, probably when I get my Ultimate Edition Hulk Hogan. in the mail. I'll do a video of my collection, my NWO collection, or something like that. Not too sure yet. All right, so let's see. Make sure no labels are showing. All right, so boom. We have this big box. I already opened it. I kind of know what's inside of there, but I know one figure that's in there. And then we have this box here for last that I got from Ringside. Came late, but glad to still have it. So let's get straight to it. I'll just bring the figures here as I go. So. Oh, having a little doozy. In a second. Some of these are gonna get clean for sure. Oh man, I'm not even gonna show. So we have R-Truth here. It's a nasty. It needs to get cleaned. I'm gonna put that back. I'm gonna do a fig bath. At the Big Show. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep these in the box until I get them cleaned. We have Flex Force Jack Swagger. We have Basic Edge. We have an Elite Legend Series, I want to say 3? If it's not 1, it's 3, I believe. Legend Series Vader. No, without the accessories. We have Alberto Del Rio, Sheamus. I'm gonna grab 2 here. Drew McIntyre without ponytail, another John Cena. Nexus, Wade Barrett. Been meaning to collect the Nexus for quite a while. Don't know how I still haven't got to it. I believe this is Apollo Crews. Yeah, because I don't think... What does that say? Oh, Ezekiel. Is that Ezekiel? Ezekiel Jackson? Okay, yeah, Ezekiel Jackson. All right. Kofi Kingston. That's actually nice. Flex Force, Big Show, Sheamus, Randy Orton. Trying to hurry this up. Hopefully the video doesn't end on me. Let's see, is that everyone? Nope. Daniel Bryan. Good for parts. It's a young Daniel. I don't want to say Andrade, but I feel like that's who this is. I'm not too sure about the newer wrestlers, like past, 2010? Not too sure about those. Wait, no, not 2010. Past 2015, I would say. I don't know. I fell off of wrestling for quite a bit, and then I came back, and boom. If you see my collection, come on. Anyway, got Santino Marella, Shelton Benjamin, another Sheamus. I have so many of these basics. I believe I already showed Alberto Del Rio. Oh, we have a mini Rumbler John Cena. As sick as I am of seeing John Cena, it's actually nice to see a miniature